Did you know there's a tiny bird often called the snowbird that signals winter across North America? Today we're diving into 50 fascinating facts about the dark-eyed junco, a small bird with big personality. Let's get started. 1. The dark-eyed junco is a small sparrow-like bird found across North America. 2. Its scientific name is Junco hyemalis. 3. The word hyemalis actually means of winter. 4. Because they appear during colder months, people often call them snowbirds. 5. They belong to the sparrow family Passerellidae. 6. Adult juncos usually measure about 5 to 6 inches long. 7. Their wingspan is around 7 to 9 inches. 8. They typically weigh only 18 to 30 grams. 9. One of their most recognizable features is their bright white belly. 10. Their pink or pale bill stands out against their dark head. 11. Dark-eyed juncos have dark eyes, which inspired their name. 12. They have white outer tail feathers that flash while flying. 13. There are several color variations across North America. 14. One common type is the slate-colored junco. 15. Another type is the Oregon junco. 16. The pink-sided junco has a softer brownish color. 17. The gray-headed junco lives mostly in the Rocky Mountains. 18. Despite looking different, these are all forms of the same species. 19. Males are usually darker and more sharply colored than females. 20. Juveniles often have streaked brown feathers for camouflage. 21. Dark-eyed juncos are found across the United States, Canada, and parts of Mexico. 22. Many populations migrate south for winter. 23. Others stay year-round in mountainous regions. 24. They prefer forests, woodland edges, and suburban backyards. 25. During winter, they often gather in large flocks. 26. In summer, they move to higher elevations to breed. 27. Some populations breed in boreal forests. 28. Others nest in mountain forests. 29. They are one of the most common backyard birds in North America. 30. Bird feeders often attract them during cold months. 31. Juncos are mostly ground feeders. 32. They hop rather than walk when searching for food. 33. Their diet includes seeds, insects, and small invertebrates. 34. During breeding season, they eat more protein-rich insects. 35. They have a distinctive trill song. 36. Their call note sounds like a quick tick. 37. Males sing to defend territory and attract mates. 38. Juncos sometimes scratch the ground with both feet to uncover food. 39. They form winter flocks with social hierarchies. 40. Dominant birds often get first access to food. 41. Their nests are usually built on or near the ground. 42. Nests are often hidden under roots, logs, or rocks. 43. Females build the nest using grass, moss, and hair. 44. A typical clutch contains 3 to 5 eggs. 45. Eggs are pale with brown speckles. 46. Incubation lasts about 12 to 13 days. 47. Both parents feed the chicks after hatching. 48. Young juncos leave the nest in about 10 to 13 days. 49. The oldest recorded dark-eyed junco lived over 11 years. 50. Millions of birdwatchers recognize them as one of winter's most beloved birds. And those were 50 fascinating facts about the dark-eyed junco. Next time you see a small gray bird hopping on the ground with flashes of white tail feathers, you might be looking at one of these winter visitors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing wildlife facts.